Good morning, y'all. So today I woke up feeling motivated to do a YouTube video. Like I literally these past couple of days I've been watching Aaliyah J's vlogs and just a whole bunch of YouTube videos, and I just feel motivated because honestly I've been struggling to stay consistent and be consistent, but I really miss YouTube. It's time for me to stop being lazy. It's time for me to not let my anxiety win, because I got this. But yeah, so y'all about to just spend the day with me. I already brushed my teeth, okay? So don't try and come for me, y'all. All right, cuz ain't no stinking breath over here. I already brushed my teeth. Now we about to do our skincare. And yeah, so let me stop talking before I talk y'all ears off, because y'all know I'm known for it. All right, bye. It's brow time, and don't mind my brows. Like I always say, I be going ham with the brow razor, but now I'm about to be serious about growing them back. So I'm not gonna touch them no more. We ain't gonna touch them. We gonna grow them back together with that castor oil, because castor oil always works for me. Brow pomade by me, Queen K Hollywood Cosmetics, and I use the shade medium brown. It's smudge proof and waterproof, so you could take it with you on vacation or your girls trip or wherever, and go in the water and still have your brows when you come out. So get your brow pomade, and you can sleep in it and it won't smudge. So period. I'm basically ready. Well, actually, I just want to put some eyeliner. I'm just getting ready for the day, and then I'm about to cook some breakfast. So I'm gonna make these. This is what I've been making, like these pancakes with sausages inside. It's alright. I'm gonna show y'all what I be doing. So I'm gonna make that, and then on my list, I'm supposed to go to Ulta, so that's why I'm like getting ready for the day. I'm getting ready to go to Ulta, but like, oh man, going in stores, like, I be so anxious, like, but I do, like, I need to go to Ulta because like I have a gift card that I got for my birthday. Shout out to my sister. And like, there's some things I want to get. I want to get some things from Julia's Place. I want to get some things from Fenty. And I want to look at some skincare products. So, gotta go. All right, y'all. So, when I start cooking, I'm gonna come back to y'all. I finished doing the dishes. Now I'm about to start why you look at the stove like that? Because there's no food?
Yeah, what's going on?
Huh?
Oh, yo, what's
I
going
have
on?
to wash all those dishes first.
Yo, I'm starving.
So y'all, I was supposed to go to Ulta today, and I mean, I completed most of the stuff on my to-do list, but I just didn't complete that because now it's thunder outside, and that means stay inside. Okay, that means Friday. Well, today is Friday. Saturday, we're gonna go to Ulta and get some stuff. Today, we're gonna do stuff indoors, the to-do list for indoors, okay? Do y'all hear that? Hold on. I hear my bed calling. I'm just joking. But yeah, do y'all hear the thunder? So now I'm about to shower, and I'm gonna show you guys my favorite body washes, okay? I use the Dr. Bronner's Tea Tree, and I like the peppermint one, but right now I've been using the tea tree. Like right now the tea tree's been my favorite, and I mix it with another one. I'm gonna show y'all. And honestly, y'all, I got the itis. Like, after the shower, I might just take a nap, cause like, y'all hear the thunder, it's about to pour. I was supposed to go to Ulta, like I said, when I was eating, but I guess we're gonna go tomorrow. I think tomorrow, actually, let me check. What's gonna be the weather tomorrow? I do want to get some new beauty products, because I feel like I be trying other beauty products, but like I just want to, there's a lot of products that I want to try. So, well, Saturday, it says it's going to be 85. It doesn't say any rain. It says cloudy, but, So we'll see. But yeah, in Ulta, that would have been fun. Going to Ulta together, picking out some beauty products, but it's okay. We're gonna save that vlog for another day. Today's just a chill day. I'm gonna clean. So after I wake up, actually, I don't even know what I'm gonna do, but after I wake up, oh, actually, when we wake up, we're gonna try some Chinese candy. So my boyfriend just came from China. He plays basketball, and I told him, bring me back some candy from China so I could do a little try video and try it. I feel like each country that he goes to, I'm gonna tell him to bring me back some candy so we can try it. So we're gonna try the candy together and see what we're gonna do next, because it's Friday, okay? It's Friday and it's thundering outside, so we inside. Alright, so we just got out the shower and we're about to moisturize, because I feel like that's also part of self-care, is, you know, taking the time to lotion up, put some perfume, look sexy, even if you're about to go to bed. Like, that's part of self-care. That's part of self-love, taking care of yourself. But I'm gonna show y'all, I don't know, I'm gonna show y'all what lotion I'm gonna use and what perfume. Okay, I don't know why I'm talking like that, y'all. I don't know, y'all. Like, this vlog thing is like, it's an adjustment, like vlogging my day, and like there's so much I want to talk about, but it's like, I don't know, like I don't want to talk y'all ears off. Like, you know, this is my first vlog. Y'all hear that thunder? This is my first vlog, so comment any tips, anything you guys want to see, anything you guys think I should do to make my videos better. Like, I'm always like always open for help and ideas. Like, I'm not one of those people that's like I'm gonna do what I want, or, you know, I am gonna do what I want, but I'm always open to ideas and always open to give people ideas, vice versa, okay? But yeah, let me start. See, this is what I mean. Like, then I start talking about stuff and then talking about, I jump subject to subject, okay? Because how we go from moisturizing, self-love to... All right, y'all, let me just go before I talk your ears off. Not good morning, y'all. Good afternoon, good after nap, all right, good after nap. Just woke up, I gotta go feed my dogs, but it's raining. I don't know if it's still raining, but it's wet out, and I hate them having to go outside when it's wet out, because they get wet. And y'all know what wet dog equals. But I'm still a little tired, but it's time to get up. It's time to get up. My skin is looking good, y'all. Alright, we're gonna still try the Chinese candy too, together. Yeah, that's what we're about to do. Let me just wake up real quick for a few minutes. Give me a few minutes, y'all, and then we about to try the candy together. And yeah, I'll be back. So right now, I'm blow drying my dogs, because like I said, even though it rains, they still gotta use the bathroom. So now I'm just blow drying them. Yeah. myself some popcorn. Your girl is tired from detangling these dogs. Like, even though, like, it actually really wasn't that much work, because y'all see they're pretty short. They just got groomed. Why is she just creeping and staring at me? Like, my dogs just be like staring at me. But yeah, what was I saying? It was just mostly their tail that was really tangly and his ears. Dogs are a lot. Like, dogs are really like kids. Like, after I eat my popcorn, we're gonna try this candy from China. But whatchamacallit? Let me tell y'all, let's talk real quick, because I don't know if I talked about it, but like, I was one of those people that was like, I can't wait to get a dog. I want a dog. I want a dog. I want a puppy. And don't get me wrong, let me just start off with this. I love my dogs. Like, I don't know what I will do if something ever happened to my dogs. Like, I feel like I mentally will go crazy, because like, these dogs are like my kids. You know what I mean? But that puppy stage, I mean, they're still puppies. They're one. Both of them are one now. But like, them puppy stage, like months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, it was a disaster. Like, I was having mental breakdowns. Like, before getting my golden doodle, literally, I was watching like thousands of videos, like, you know, to see. Y'all know we do that. I was watching thousands of videos, and there was this one video, and she was like, she was crying for a week, like she was having a mental breakdown, and I'm like, geez. I still got one anyway, and I definitely could relate, because I don't know, like, it's just like, it was a lot. And like, my boyfriend will tell you, like, I was going crazy. Like, when we first got her, every single second I'm waking up in the middle of the night to check on her. Like, I just had bad anxiety, worried about her. And then like, she was just bad. Like, both of them bad. Pooping in the house, peeing. Even when, like, she'll literally pee, she used to pee right next to her pee-pee pad. Right next to her pee-pee pad. Like, she just was wilding. She was ripping up her pee-pee pad. She was going in the trash. She was just doing a lot of bad stuff. Like, a lot of bad stuff. But they are a lot better. She's still bad. He's still bad. But compared to them early puppy stage, girl, I was losing my mind. Like, come on. Like, I would come home from work, her pee-pee pad all over the floor. Poop all over the floor. Pee all over the floor. And it's not like I was consistently walking her. You know, I was trying to train her because I wanted to try. I was training her to use the pee-pee pads, like, if she needed to, but like, now she doesn't. I want her to use the bathroom when we're outside. You know, that's how I wanted to train her. But, so it's not like I wasn't walking her. I was walking her still. But she just was out of control. Lou wants to come from an 8 to 9 hour shift to poop and pee all over the floor in a ripped up pee-pee pad. I was losing my mind. But like I said, I love my dogs, and this is unconditional love. But Yeah. So people that be like they want a puppy, I'm not saying don't get a puppy, but like just be prepared. Like don't think it's sweet, because it's not. Like it's not sweet. Like you think, yeah, they're so cute, he, until they're ripping up your shoes, until they're destroying stuff. Like Max, my boy, my little special boy, and my special girl Sunshine. I got 2 dogs, one Australian Doodle and one Golden Doodle. And Max, he used to tear up shoes, sneakers, slides. Like he was out of control. He was tearing up rugs. It was a lot. But thank goodness they don't do that no more. Like they're really... Shoot, I dropped 2 popcorns. If my dog Sunshine would have seen, my other dog, if Sunshine would have seen, she'd be fiending for table food. Fiending. But I hope I'm not smacking in this video, because like I'm not even gonna lie, y'all. Like, I mean, if we go out to eat and stuff, like I'm not smacking, but in the house or like in my own comfort place, I be smacking, because it's like I just feel like it helps me enjoy the food. I don't know how to explain it. Like I need to breathe. I don't know. I don't even know how to explain it. I don't know. Like you see with your mouth closed, like you don't really taste it. No. I don't know, y'all. But anyway, now I'm just talking all over the place. I'm almost done, and we about to try this. But yeah, back to what I was saying, because like I do that a lot. I jump subject to subject, like, and then I'm just so random. Like my boyfriend be like I just randomly just start talking about something with no context. Like I'm just so random. But back to what I was saying. So just mentally prepare that like it's not just supposed to be, oh my god, you're so cute. Yeah, like you're so cute, but like they're bad. Okay, where's my other phone? Because I actually I was supposed to be doing, like, I've been doing a TikTok video. And now I'm like, we doing YouTube, but we gonna do TikTok too. Even though I'm nervous. Like, I'm always nervous. But y'all, I'm on YouTube right now. Y'all, so we about to try it. I'm on live too. Oh shoot. Let's see. Your girl was about to start a fire. I had a paper towel by my thing. So I got, these are the candies I got. Well, he got me. I've seen a video with this before, with people trying this. I don't remember though, was it good or not, but it's red bean creamy candy, white rabbit. I don't know. I kind of like want to look this up to see. So we also got these. I don't know. These look like lollipops. I don't know. But we about to try them, so. And then I did open this. I tried the yellow one. I didn't try the pink one. I don't know. But yeah, I don't know. I want to open these because I want to see how these taste. But I think it's a lollipop. I don't know. It got milk in front. I'm like, do it taste milky or something? Alright. Smells fruity. This is how they look. Oh, these are cute. Look at this. I don't know. Which one do I want to try? So this is how they look. I don't know. I think I want the pink one because I'm scared. Like, I don't like orange. I don't know. Alright, we about to try this one. This pink one right here. This is really good. This is really good. I'm gonna have to tell my man to try these because I don't know. I'm trying to think of like what it tastes like, the flavor. Maybe like strawberry. We about to try these. Shoot, I hope I don't like get copyrighted or anything because that's 2K playing in the background. But this lollipop is really good. But this is how they look. Right, White Rabbit. Let's see. I'm scared, y'all. I'm scared. The plastic's actually coming off because before it wasn't. I think it's alright. I don't know, y'all. It kind of tastes like, I mean, not taste. Smell like those bean candies. Oh, yo, sorry, y'all. I'm not a fan. I don't know. I'm trying to fill it out. Because y'all know how sometimes the end taste. No, I wasn't a fan. So these are the White Rabbit. If someone can like put in the comment, let me know in the comment box, like, White Rabbit, what is that? Yeah, let me know what is that, because actually I'm probably gonna look it up, but I'm gonna eat this lollipop because I need to get that taste on my mouth. About to try these. So I'm gonna try the pink one because, like, y'all see, I tried one of the yellow, but it's been a minute. So, try it. So this is how they look. They feel like squishy and y'all, I really did not like that candy. Alright, this is how it looks. That's how it looks. I don't know. It don't really have a flavor. Maybe because, like, I still got that taste in my mouth. Well, I think sorry, y'all, my face, but my face can't lie. Y'all, I'm sorry. I don't like these. I don't know how to explain the taste. Like, the part, like, it got some, like, gelish cream inside or whatever. But the thing on the outside, this, it don't have a taste, but these lollipops right here from China, don't say I didn't put you on. Don't say I didn't put you on. I think that's gonna complete the vlog today. I hope you guys enjoyed my first vlog. I know it was, hopefully it wasn't boring. It kind of was boring because, like, we didn't do much today, but it was the weather. We're gonna do better tomorrow. My goal, I need to set this goal for myself and stay committed to it, to post 3 times a week. Like I used to post 3 to 4 times a week, but let's start with 3 times a week, and I got this. So y'all will be seeing me 3 times a week, okay? So when I upload this video, it will be most likely Saturday, because this is a long ass vlog to edit. So I'm gonna edit it tonight. I will be vlogging 3 times a week. Alright, so make sure you hit your the bell notification, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. And like I said, I'm always down for ideas. I know I said it already, but I'm gonna say it again. That let me know what you guys think I personally need to improve on, because I will always take criticism, constructive criticism. Like, I can handle it, because at the end of the day, it's gonna make me better, and who doesn't want to be better? So yeah, hit the bell so that you stay notified when I post, and because I have something exciting coming for y'all soon. We about to go on a vacation soon in October, a little small getaway, and we just got a lot coming. We going to Jamaica, so we got a lot of content. But yeah, so I love y'all. Thank y'all. Thank you to everyone that actually stayed till the end. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. All right, bye. Even though I don't want to leave y'all, but bye.